Whoa!
Grand.
Sitting on the bank. Like a garage. I would call that an emerald. How about you guys? Or a jade?
Oh, look at the flames that are in it.
Right.
Give it a stir stick?
Yeah, I got a stir stick.
Like a garage.
What are your predictions for the paint? I'm not gonna have the highest of hopes, but that's okay.
Hey, you had a better prediction before. What
did I say?
You said I think it's gonna be pretty good.
It is what it is.
Yeah.
I don't know. I don't care. It'll be good. The car's gonna look better than it does now, no matter what.
That's true.
And it runs. So
pretty hard to make.
I actually could not care less.
Yeah, that's fair.
The car's cool, and we got to build it together.
Yeah.
That's what really matters.
It's built on friendship.
All that matters is the friends we made along the way.
Friendship and a serious amounts of cum. Whoa.
Activator 1, reducer 2. Okay, so activator's next.
Some serious
this is how we
chemistry,
activate.
Walter.
Say my name.
The color of the car.
You're doing the right measurements?
Yes. What?
Well, you fucked it
Ben
up.
came
Remember?
You're doing 3, 3, and then 3 and a splash, he said. Because there's no 2.
Ben came to high school twice, so
Yeah, true.
kind of concerned about this chemistry
True.
he's about to embark on.
Can't even open the thing. They teach you to open that.
I did take
Yeah.
biology and earth science.
They don't teach you how to paint in biology.
Oh!
Oh my god!
The garage! What is that?
It's reducer.
What was the other thing?
Activator.
Oh my lord. You're really spilling more than half.
Is that right?
Potent, that stuff.
And it's everywhere. Oh!
Oh, that fucking shit stinks, bro.
Where's the I'm gonna throw up. Oh, it smells like white wine, but like times a million.
Oh my fucking god, that's
He said it needs to be like homo milk. Yeah. Who knows the difference in consistency between
He said
homo milk?
he said two or homo.
Who the fuck knows the consistency between different milk? Oh yeah, it's definitely homo.
I was like, yo, I'll know that.
I see you're drinking 1%.
That's not homo.
You're like, oh, that's definitely 2%.
That's skin.
No, it's not. No.
You don't even drink milk, Ben.
You can,
Yeah, you fucking dickhead.
but I still like it.
What do you mean?
We've had whole arguments. Our
Yeah, I don't
friendship
drink.
almost ended.
Here, wait. Garage.
Oh, you know what?
This seems very thin.
You know what we did? We were supposed to use this just to pour it into the cup. We didn't have to do that for this.
Oh, like all the clear things didn't have to go through
Yeah.
that, right?
Well,
That
like
don't
any
matter.
of it didn't have to go through there. Because we could have just done this right into the paint cup. Is what we were supposed
Oh,
to
whatever.
Oh, that doesn't matter.
But that seems really thin, doesn't it?
Seem right.
do. Yes, it is.
You think that's?
Yeah, we did it good.
Ain't no way that's homo milk, though.
That's supposed to be homo milk.
That's like skim. You're rocking skim consistency.
You want to add a bit more paint then?
I don't know. You did the math.
I think it's fine.
You think the math's there?
Yeah.
Okay, well, I trust you. I'm just saying that's skim.
You think that's skim?
I think that's skim.
Skim and water have the
Okay,
same
let's add a bit more activator.
Oh, no, hey, wait, whoa, hey, ooh, oh.
Is activated?
You did the math,
Yeah.
right? Can you pull out the stick? You did the math, right? Look
I
at that.
think we need to add a bit more.
But what about the math?
I think he was all going off feel kind of.
He was going off straight what consistency of milk it was.
Yeah. And that's all feel.
So, okay, well.
There we go.
Want that little splash made all the difference? Yeah. Now we're getting 2%. It's looking pretty 2% to me now.
Now we're cooking
Here,
with gasoline.
give it so it drips down. That looks better.
That
It's
looks
not
better.
running as quick.
Yeah.
This shit smells like fuck. Are you supposed to have a mask on while you do this?
Well, you're supposed to probably.
Okay. Well, that would make
You're definitely
sense.
supposed to have a mask on when you paint. So I'm assuming this is paint, and we're
Yeah.
smelling it, and that other shit smelled bad. So yeah, it's still bad.
God damn. Balter bite. Balter Jite. Ben Johnson. Look. This dude ain't gonna have no leprechaun ankles. With his green.
like that.
Stank it, stank it, stank it leg, stank it.
Ben doesn't know how to stankulate?
I don't know what's happening
Yeah,
there.
like the-
That's not stanking. No, that's
it-
not
is
stanking.
it-
I think you gotta do that. Yeah, there you go, Ben.
Oh my god.
God damn. This dude pulls up to paint your car. What are you doing?
A hole in the floor.
It's probably good, I can't say. Fuck. I guess I'm cutting that out. I hope I remember.
Yeah, we'll close the door and we'll turn the fan on, eh?
Yeah, we're not going in there.
Get the hose as, like, nice as you want it, and then we can... Or all the way in there.
Probably needs all the slack. We're obviously not going in here because we don't have respirators and everything in here is going to be green.
I might stay in there. Cool.
Alright, good luck, Ben.
See you, buddy.
Oh yeah, that's
Here.
See ya. It's fine if you mess it up because the car's fucked. So
sure.
it's not a big L. Alright, see you, Ben. Good luck. Seems like we're locking him into like a spaceship right here. Oh. Turn the fan on. And now we wait.
Now what?
Oh, I hear him. He's going to town behind the Hulk there. Alright, I'm gonna look at the first coat here. Putting on the sweater mask. Josh got his sweater mask on. Oh, it's so thin, it looks so bright. I know. Alright, it only looks bright because the first coat's so thin. Alright, Ben's just finishing up the last coat, and then we're just gonna leave the car in there, and then we'll pull it out tomorrow, which will still be in this video. Yeah, we'll pull out the car shortly for you guys, and look at it. Obviously, this is single stage paint. We don't have any skills or training or anything, so Ben's in there doing his best with limited knowledge. And you know, that's what it's all about. And so yeah, obviously it's not the best paint job. We're painting over some rust in some areas, but just gotta look kind of cool, you know? That's the purpose of this car, is just to be kind of cool and have fun with and learn with. So yeah, even if it's not perfect, it's perfect because we as a group of friends had a great time while working on it and bringing you guys along as part of that group of friends. Yeah, so stay tuned for 2 seconds. We'll be back tomorrow. Check it out. It's the next day after painting the Cressida. Almost out of Ben's. We're gonna check it out. There's some areas that need addressing where there were some runs because half of the garage was dark. And some areas where it didn't quite cover properly. So we're just gonna assemble the car now and take care of those areas at a later date because, I don't know, why not? So yeah, let's go check out how it turned out, see how the color looks. I think it was a bit lighter than we initially intended of a color, but that's all right. So yeah, let's go take a look. We'll put it together, check it out, and then talk about the areas that, you know, need some attention in the future. All right, you guys ready? There it is. So it's pretty good for our skill level. Ben's only ever painted the front end of his X6 and the engine bay on an R34, so it's not bad. There's a couple spots where the paint's a bit thin and a couple runs. There's one of them. This is a pretty bad run. And then you can see like this area, the paint's a bit thin, but we do have a bunch of extra paint. There's also a run on this door, but I mean, for having the back half of the garage so dark where you couldn't really see anything, it's pretty good. I mean, you can see here where it's not as glossy on the back end and the roof, but we do still have lots of paint, so we can fix all that up. But I mean, for how shoddy of a job we did, especially on the prep, it's not bad. There's another run there. Well, yeah. And then the paint's a bit thin there on the door, but we can fix all that because we got more paint. Should have filled that then. Didn't see it before, but yeah. So I guess we're gonna throw the front end back on and the rear bumper maybe? And yeah, not bad. Then we also gotta remove all the paint from the floor in the garage, but it's alright. Try to get a close up here so you guys can see how the color kind of looks. Maybe shine the flashlight on it. Pretty cool color. Lots of pearl in it. I feel like the side exit pops more now, because before the color was kind of silver and gray, so now you can really see the side exit. Like that. Josh's X8. Cool, man. And honestly, like,
I like it.
I like it too.
It looks cool.
Yeah. What is a yerba mate?
You gotta get a breather hole.
But then I have to actually shotgun it,
Yeah,
and then I'll
come on, Josh.
throw up. Yeah, yerba mates are weird, but they taste
I
kind of
don't know
good.
what the fuck it is. What is it?
like-
Taste like iced tea?
It's like, yeah, it's like a weird iced tea. I think it has like caffeine in it though.
Ah.
And then we can use that from then on out. Or
Yeah, that's a
something.
good idea. So we had some gun malfunctions yesterday too, hey?
Yeah, some
Gun-
gun malfunctions.
It kept like clogging or whatever, and that was the point where he was doing the roof and the rear end mostly, so
my hole?
that's why there's not as much coverage there and why it looks a bit dull. But yeah, so all things considered, dark garage, terrible prep, and
looks
gun
cool.
malfunctions.
It's good.
It looks cool. I mean, again, you got to consider what the purpose of this car is. You know? Yeah, I mean,
Like,
that's what we're dealing with.
yeah.
But yeah, the purpose of this car is just to have fun and make it as crazy looking as possible. And honestly, the paint defects are pretty crazy. They're pretty damn crazy, aren't they, Josh?
Right. Yeah.
Yeah. So yeah, that's cool. Let's put this hoe a bit more together and then check it out. You almost went down.
That was crazy.
She's all together now. Gonna pull it out. Looks pretty damn cool though.
It does look sick.
Ben, you really killed the paint job.
Hey,
With your abilities.
Here, too.
Yeah,
I
that's
purposely
sick.
did the fade into black so you could like.
Yeah, I like that. A little two-tone. Josh wants to throw some tire shine on this. Back is where it's at.
Throw it in the back.
Yeah, do it. Cool.
Proud of our car.
This is awesome.
Yeah, good work, Ben.
Good job, Ben.
It's a team effort. Look how cool it is.
Yeah, you were the painter, and
Yeah,
we were
we just did the parts that
You-
made
you
it
did
not
the-
look as good, like the prep
yeah.
or the lack of.
Hey, we did some body work.
Hey, we did what we did,
We did what we did, and here it's did.
and now it doesn't look like shit. Well, is that a Go Shark steering wheel?
We're ripping, man.
It's pretty neato.
I still hate this shit.
It's
It's actually a light, though?
Yeah, it goes off.
Does this just stay beeping? What is it for?
All right, well, I'd say that's pretty much it for this time. And we've also agreed on what our next spec will be. So that's pretty exciting. I think we're all pretty excited about that.
Yeah,
that's gonna be crazy. Yeah, that's when we're going all out on this thing. Right now it's pretty subtle, as you can see. But it's gonna get pretty crazy, so stay tuned for that. It's very exciting. And comment, like, and subscribe. Buy some merch so we can buy more green paint to overspray onto these wheels. And see you in the next one.
The boys will try to hit 1,000,000K up on that YouTube. The best content that nobody subscribes to. Too good to get the camera getting fired up.
Not the bounce back.